What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about best 3 photo editing software you will surely love to use. In our list we have added best 7 free photo editing software which you can use as a beginner, or if you want to do advanced image editing then you can use this software for sure. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button. Next to this, you'll see bell icon. Select all in the bell icon and give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Number 7. Photor. Photor offers you both the free and the premium version, including an offline and online version. If we talk about the online version, then we can say it much more like a Canva, which I use personally. And for offline version, the user experience says if you have lots of photos you want to make changes, then use the one-click option of Photor, which surely come handy. Here you can see if you are a Windows user, then you can download this software. The version 3.6.7 and the size is 240.3 MB, 32 bits and 64 bit. If you are a Mac user, then you can download from the Mac App Store 3.4.1 version, and you should have to have Mac OS X 10.7 or later. Now let's talk about the hardware requirement. You need at least 1 GHz of processor or faster, 2 GB RAM or higher. You need at least 3 GB of free disk space on your hard drive if you are doing any image editing. As I already told you, it's available for Windows, Mac OS X and Android phone as well. For Windows, it's available on Windows 10, 8.1, 8.7, Windows Vista and XP. As I already explained you about Mac OS X 10.7 or later. If you don't know how to check your operating system version, then you have to do a simple thing. Let me show you. As you can see on the screen here, you have to click on this Apple icon. You will get drop down like this. About this Mac, you have to click on this about this Mac. Then you'll get a screen like this. After Mac OS X picture, you'll see version 11.0.1. That's how you have to check your operating system version if you are a Mac user. Number 6. Pixlr X/Pixlr E. Pixlr is free online image editing tool which offer you 2 versions, Pixlr X or Pixlr E. As you can see on the screen, you'll get 2 versions, Pixlr E and Pixlr X. If you're looking for basic editing, then choose Pixlr X. Or if you're looking for advanced editing, then choose Pixlr E, which offers you a lot of advanced tool if you are looking for advanced editing. You can do a lot more than you think while using Pixlr online tool. As you can see on the screen, they have a lot of options available. It is relevant to say we can compare Pixlr online photo editing tool with Adobe Photoshop. Number 5. Photoscape/Photoscape X. Yes, there are 2 versions of Photoscape. If you are a user of Windows XP 7, Vista or 8, then download Photoscape 3.7 version. As you can see on the screen, this one you can download. If you are using Windows 10, then Photoscape X is available for you to download free. But there is one condition. It has to be Windows 10 version 1709 with 64 bits. I know some of you don't know how to check your Windows version. Don't worry, let me show you how you can check your Windows version. Press and hold Windows icon, press R, type here WINVER, press OK. Here you can see your Windows version. It says Microsoft Windows version 1809 and you can see in here. You'll get this window once you will type this command and run. For Apple user, you can do the same thing. Let me show you again. You will get a screen like this. Click on this Apple icon. You get this drop down. Click on About this Mac. Then you will get a screen like this. In overview, you'll see the version here 11.0.1. And yes, this software is available for Apple user as well. Now let's talk about hardware requirement. You need CPU with Intel dual core processor, 1 GB of RAM or higher. Windows XP, Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10 work perfectly fine with this software. As you can see here as well, the compatibility. And for the Mac OS X, Mac OS 10.12 They have lot of cool editing tools in this software as you can see on the screen. So if you want to download Photoscape X, then the link is given in the description. Number 4. Paint.net. Paint.net is another free photo editing software of Microsoft developed on .NET framework to replace Paint, which was the older version of Paint.net. Paint.net comes with an easy interface that makes it easy for the user to make changes to their pictures. It is only available for Windows user developed by Microsoft. It has been said Paint.net is an advanced tool that can help you with advanced editing if the third-party plugins are available. As you can see on the screen, all the tools and the things you can do with Paint.net, the layer adjustment curve, and lot more you can do if you are a Windows user. Now let's talk about the hardware requirement. You need 1 GHz of dual-core processor, 1 GB of RAM or higher, Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. In all of these three, this software is available, not for Windows XP or Vista. Number 3. Canva. Canva is an online photo editing tool that comes with free and the paid version. They have both options available. If you want to use it for free, then you can use it for free if you are not completely dependent on Canva designs. Just a piece of advice to my viewers, you can do a lot more than you think if you give yourself time to improve. As I have improved, so I know about this very well. It's just a matter of time when you start exploring the beautiful theme as you can see on the screen and start creating your own. It's all about watch and learn. You can create YouTube thumbnails, YouTube main page artwork, Facebook stories, Instagram stories, marketing promotion and lot more. They have both free and paid option available. You can address them by the crown icon in the corner of the image. If you see the crown icon on the image means it's paid. And one more thing. If you choose any template, then make sure any of the images in the template has that crown icon or not. After completing your artwork, I'm sure you want to download it. If you cannot download it, then you know it's complete waste of time. The hardware requirement is not necessary to mention here as it's an online tool, but I think it's important to understand if your browser is not able to open more than 5 tabs at a time in your browser, then you will get problem while using online photo editing software. Number 2. Darktable. Darktable is known as the alternative of Lightroom. If you do not know about it, then in simple word we can say it's a raw photo enhancer which improves the quality of your photo without destroying it. And as per the user, it gives you a varieties of options to improve the look of the photo as you want your photo to look like clicked with an expensive camera. Darktable is available for Apple, Mac OS X, Linux and Windows. It's also support the option where you can connect your camera and see live view on your PC. And once you click the photo, you can see that photo in Darktable photo section. In short, this is the best free image editing software to edit your raw photos, which gives the perfect touch-up to your photos. If we talk about the hardware requirement, then we can't find any clear instruction, but after reading the page on hardware requirements, we found few things. You need at least 8 GB of RAM or higher. It works on Mac OS X operating system, Windows and Linux with 64 bits. However, it has been said that 32 bits user also ran this software on their PC, but as it's not recommended, so we're not recommending you. For CPU, you need Intel i3 that should have to have 2 cores, 4 threads, equivalent or higher. Number 1. GIMP. GIMP photo editing software is known to be the best alternative open source of Adobe Photoshop. As per a lot of other websites and experts review, GIMP is the best free to use image editing software. GIMP is very easy to use and comes with lot of advanced tools that take your photo editing to the next level. As it's completely free, that does not mean we can take it for granted. GIMP has a huge active community, and because of that, the user of GIMP contribute to make GIMP the best free open source of image editing software. If we talk about the feature, then there are lot of features that comes in the GIMP software, and it comes with lot of pre-installed plugin, or you can download it separately. As they have a huge community, you will surely find your plugin you want to install. If we talk about the hardware requirement, then do not worry, the requirements are really low as compared to other softwares. The CPU requirement, Intel Pentium 4 or equivalent or better than that, 250 MB of RAM or higher you required. If we talk about operating system, then it's available on Linux, Mac OS X, Windows 10, 8 and 7. If you want to know more about operating system, then the link is given in the description. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.